Hey there. Ever feel like the hustle and bustle of daily life is just too much? Well, today I'm going to let you in on a little secret that might just change your life. It's called forest bathing. Sounds intriguing, right? So, let's dive in. First things first, what is forest bathing? It's not about taking a bath in the woods, I promise. Instead, it's all about immersing yourself in nature and soaking up the sights, sounds, and smells of the forest. Originating from Japan, where it's known as Shinrin Yoku, forest bathing has become a popular practice around the world. So, why should you give it a try? Let's talk benefits. For starters, forest bathing can significantly reduce stress. Imagine standing among tall trees, the sunlight filtering through the leaves, the gentle rustling of branches. It's like a natural remedy for your mind. Scientific studies have shown that spending time in nature can lower cortisol levels, the hormone responsible for stress. In fact, a study published in Environmental Health and Preventive Medicine found that participants who spent time in a forest had a 12.4% decrease in cortisol levels compared to those in an urban environment. But that's not all. Forest bathing can also boost your immune system. Trees release phytoncides, which are natural oils that have antimicrobial properties. When you breathe in these oils, they can help your body fight off illness more effectively. Amazing, right? A study from the International Journal of Immunopathology and Pharmacology found that forest bathing increased the activity of natural killer cells, which play a crucial role in the immune response by 50%. And guess what? It can even improve your mood and mental clarity. Nature has a calming effect on the mind, reducing symptoms of anxiety and depression. Plus, the peaceful environment allows for better focus and creativity. A study in the Journal of Affective Disorders found that participants who engaged in forest bathing had a 29% decrease in depression scores and a 21% decrease in anxiety scores. Don't just take my word for it. Listen to this testimonial from Sarah, a longtime forest bather. Sarah, I started forest bathing about a year ago and it's been a game changer. I feel more relaxed, my mind is clearer, and I'm just generally happier. It's like a reset button for my mental health. Pretty convincing, huh? And Sarah's not alone. Thousands of people have experienced the transformative effects of forest bathing. So, how do you get started? It's simple. Find a nearby forest or park, leave your phone behind, and just wander. Take your time to truly connect with the environment around you. Breathe deeply. Listen to the birds. Feel the texture of the leaves. It's all about being present in the moment. And remember, you don't need to travel far or spend hours to enjoy the benefits. Whoa. Even a short, mindful walk in nature can make a big difference. So, next time you're feeling overwhelmed, why not give forest bathing a try? Your mind and body will thank you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living a healthier, happier life. See you next time.